destroying more dishes in China than Terry probably has in her entire life, what I've done in the RV. So, in another stupid RV trick, I decided that because a dish said it was Pyrex, that I could just put it directly on burn. I wanted some beans here in Winslow when we first got here. Terry was already in bed, and I decided, hey, I'll just dump the can into this Pyrex dish and heat it up and just have a little snack. And a few minutes later, it exploded into 100 pieces or more all over the stove, and just made a hell of a mess. I had to clean the whole stove basically to get it cleaned up. So anyway, lesson learned. You gotta be smarter than the stupid Pyrex thing. I know better.
That's Interstate 40 and the Burlington Northern Transcontinental Main Line from Chicago to LA. Heavily trafficked, both of them. It's the old Route 66. We're camped out at a lake, what they call a lake. It's a little reservoir actually, and it does have some more to it on around the corner of where this road is. But this is, I want to say McHood Park, and it's owned by the city of Winslow. And we're the only people camped here, probably because it is, of course, December. And who camps out in December except people like us who are always camped out. But it's really great that they do these kinds of things. It's something that is nice for us because we can just pull in, spend a couple of days, enjoy the town, and relax a little bit. And they put some money into this. You can see that the road has been recently paved here with new asphalt, and we'll walk down and get a little better look. But it's an interesting little spot, and water is not all that common, of course, in this part of the world. So it's kind of nice to have a place with some water. Gizzy seems to find plenty of stuff to claim as his own. Right, Giz? So everybody knows Winslow, Arizona from the Eagles song, Take It Easy. And about 100,000 people come here every year to get their pictures taken and goof around at this intersection where this song is supposedly based. Jackson Browne wrote most of it, and Glenn Fry added a little bit to it. But Winslow, they do have some heritage. Route 66 went through here. It's a huge railroad town. So when Route 66 was replaced by I-40, I really heard a lot of these towns out west. And, because all the traffic that was forced through these little towns suddenly didn't exist anymore. So Winslow, hangs on to that heritage a bit. But one of the coolest things they've got that I wasn't aware of at all is the hotel, which was an original Harvey House hotel called the La Posada. And it's been restored and operates as a hotel to this day, and a train station for Amtrak. And it's just incredible. The artwork inside, the architecture, and of course for me, being able to go watch trains, just in the backyard of the hotel, so to speak. This would be an incredible place to stay as far as I'm concerned. So, Winslow's got some real gems here. The one that's known for, and then the La Posada, which I was unaware of, but I'm sure it's famous for as well, because it is an incredible thing to have for a town this size. We really enjoyed our stay here in Winslow.
clear. Finish 4328 flag. Ready to highball, Winslow, Cleveland.